love this question. What is the difference between branding and brand identity? So look, when you think about branding, I want you to remember, branding encompasses many different aspects, right? So you have your marketing, you have your internal branding where you engage your staff to deliver the brand. You have your collaterals. So all this is all the assets, right? Tangible and non-tangible assets of a brand. A brand identity is the visual, verbal, vocal components of what represents your brand's personality. So when you think about this, right? So when you think about Starbucks, now when you go into Starbucks, right, you feel for the brand, you feel the ambiance, but the identity components are really logo elements, the colors that you see, the language that's being utilized to deliver the brand. So that's brand identity, and that's the difference. When you are looking at working on your brand, this is what I want you to do. Firstly, of course, think about the brand and think about the brand in a very big picture perspective, right? Because there's many parts when it comes to branding. When you think about brand identity, now this is so key for me when you think about brand identity. Remember, you need to make sure that you create guidelines on how you want your brand to be communicated. You need to ensure that what you do to create your identity needs to be differentiated, it needs to be memorable, it needs to stand out in a cluttered marketplace. Hey, if you have any more branding questions, please send me your questions to Jerome at 𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙤𝙀.com.